mind, body, and family with Dr. Mark Steinberg.
Joining me today is Dr. Mark Steinberg, who specializes in clinical, educational, and neuropsychology. Welcome back, Dr. Steinberg.
Hi, Vicki. Good to be here.
You have treated people with ADD, with depression, anxiety, and sleep problems. You also treat people with trauma. Talk to me a little bit about what happens when someone is traumatized. What happens to the mind and body?
What happens in trauma is that there is an event or a perceived event or an event that happens to someone else, and it shocks the nervous system. For example, most people think about traumas as accidents,
Right.
earthquakes, rapes, murders, car accidents, which happen.
Sure.
They can happen to someone else. They can happen to someone far away, like we've seen on the news with Japan and with San Bruno and all kinds of things happening overseas. They can almost happen as in a near car accident, and it shocks the nervous system. And the things about the nervous system and about emotions are that they're timeless. They keep reverberating as if it's still happening.
Okay, we've talked about some major events. What about things like rejection? I mean, can that traumatize a person?
Rejection is a huge trauma. When you get laid off, when you are ousted from a relationship, your house gets foreclosed, you don't get that credit line increase, you don't do well on an exam, you don't get into a class. Terrible. And we can fix that in minutes.
So trauma is not something that you just get over. You can heal from it.
You can heal from it, and we use tapping techniques, voice technology, and we're tremendously successful about 95% of the time, and it takes less than a half hour.
Very interesting. Thank you, Doctor. For more information about Dr. Steinberg, you can call his office at 408-356-1002, or you can visit his website to find out more information, and that's at marksteinberg.com. Thank you, Doctor.
This segment is sponsored by Dr. Mark Steinberg.